Have you ever wondered why people in the Mediterranean region have lower rates of heart disease? The answer may lie in their diet. Welcome to our deep dive into the Mediterranean diet, a nutritional model that's as tasty as it is healthy. Originating from the traditional eating habits of people in countries bordering the Mediterranean Sea, this diet is a treasure trove of flavors and health benefits. It emphasizes eating primarily plant-based foods, using herbs and spices instead of salt, consuming lean proteins, and opting for healthy fats like olive oil over butter. Research shows that this diet is linked to lower rates of heart disease, thanks to its focus on heart-healthy fats and high-fiber foods. But that's not all. It might also help with weight loss, diabetes control, and even improving mental health. All these benefits wrapped in delicious meals. Stay tuned as we delve into the steps to begin your journey with the Mediterranean diet. The Mediterranean diet revolves around a unique food pyramid. This pyramid is not just a guide to what you should eat, but also a way of life that emphasizes variety, balance, and the pleasure of eating. Let's start at the base of the pyramid. Here you'll find the foods that should make up the bulk of your diet. This includes plentiful amounts of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, beans, nuts, legumes, seeds, herbs, and spices. In the Mediterranean diet, these plant-based foods are the stars of the show, not just side dishes. They're rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, and they're also a great source of phytonutrients, compounds that help keep your cells healthy. Next, we move up to the middle of the pyramid. Here we have fish and seafood, which are recommended at least twice a week. These are excellent sources of protein and omega-3 fatty acids, which are beneficial for heart health. Poultry, eggs, cheese, and yogurt are also here, and they're to be consumed in moderate portions daily to weekly. Then we have the top of the pyramid, reserved for foods to eat sparingly. This includes sweets and red meats. While they can be enjoyed on occasion, they're not the main focus of this diet. The emphasis is on natural, minimally processed foods that are low in saturated fat and sugar. But there's one more key component of this pyramid that sets it apart, and that's the very top, where you'll find lifestyle elements like physical activity and enjoying meals with others. The Mediterranean diet is about more than just what you eat. It's about how you eat, slowly and in the company of others. It's a celebration of life, food, and health all in one. So that's your quick tour of the Mediterranean food pyramid. As you can see, it's not just a diet, but a lifestyle that emphasizes balance, variety, and the pleasure of eating. Remember, vegetables, fruits, and whole grains form the base of the Mediterranean diet. Unlike other diets, the Mediterranean diet doesn't shy away from fats. But not just any fats, we're talking about healthy fats. Olive oil, for instance, isn't just brilliant for sautéing your favorite veggies or drizzling over a fresh salad. It's a powerhouse of monounsaturated fats. These types of fats can help reduce bad cholesterol levels, which can lower your risk of heart disease and stroke. And let's not forget about avocados. These creamy green gems are not only delicious, but also packed with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats and fiber, a dynamic duo for your body's health. Think of these fats as allies in your health journey, not enemies. They are not only beneficial, but also essential for your body to function properly. They contribute to your overall health and, more specifically, your heart health. It's all about balance, not deprivation. So don't fear the fats, embrace them. The beauty of the Mediterranean diet is its emphasis on plant-based foods. Indeed, the heart and soul of this diet are the delectable and healthful fruits, vegetables, whole grains, nuts, and legumes that it encourages us to consume regularly. Let's start with fruits and vegetables. They are nature's treasure trove of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, vital for our body's overall health and well-being. The Mediterranean diet allows their consumption in abundance, giving us the freedom to savor their freshness and the diversity of flavors they offer. Next up are whole grains. Unlike refined grains, whole grains retain all parts of the grain: the bran, germ, and endosperm. Foods made from these grains are rich in fiber, helping to regulate our digestion and keep us feeling full. They are also packed with B vitamins, iron, folate, selenium, potassium, and magnesium. Nuts and seeds, though tiny, are nutritional powerhouses. They are packed with healthy fats, fiber, proteins, vitamins, and minerals. These nutrients not only support heart health, but also aid in maintaining healthy body weight and reducing the risk of type 2 diabetes. Finally, we have legumes, the humble yet mighty food group. Beans, peas, lentils, and chickpeas are high in fiber and protein and low in fat. They can help control blood sugar, lower blood pressure, and reduce the risk of heart disease. Plus, they are a great source of iron, which is especially beneficial for those following a plant-based diet. The Mediterranean diet's emphasis on plant-based foods not only provides a multitude of health benefits, but also introduces us to a world of flavors, textures, and culinary experiences. We can enjoy everything from a simple bowl of fresh fruits to a hearty whole grain bread, a handful of crunchy nuts, or a comforting bowl of lentil soup. By prioritizing plant-based foods, we can reap the health benefits while savoring the rich and varied tastes of the Mediterranean diet. Plant-based foods are not just nutritious, but they're also delicious and satisfying. The Mediterranean diet is not about deprivation, but moderation. This mantra extends to dairy products and poultry, two food groups that are enjoyed in moderate portions. Imagine a plate with a small serving of grilled chicken or a dab of creamy goat cheese. These foods are not the stars of the show, but they play important supporting roles. Dairy products, like cheese and yogurt, are rich in calcium and vitamin D, essential for bone health. They also provide a good source of protein. But remember, it's all about quality over quantity. Opt for full-fat, unprocessed dairy products for a true Mediterranean experience. Poultry, on the other hand, serves as a lean source of protein. Chicken or turkey can be used to add variety and flavor to your meals. Just remember to keep the portions moderate and the cooking methods healthy. Think grilling, baking, or broiling. And that's the beauty of the Mediterranean diet. It's not about cutting out food groups, but about enjoying them in balance. Remember, moderation is key in the Mediterranean diet. While the Mediterranean diet is abundant, it does advise caution with certain foods. As we journey further into the Mediterranean food pyramid, we find red meat and sweets perched at the very top. But why are they there? The Mediterranean diet is all about balance and moderation. Red meat, though packed with protein, is also high in saturated fats, which, if consumed excessively, can lead to health issues like heart disease. Thus, it's recommended to limit consumption of red meat to a few times per month. Similarly, sweets, though delightful, are often high in sugar and empty calories. Overindulgence in sweets can lead to weight gain and other health problems. In the Mediterranean diet, sweets are considered a treat, not a staple. They are to be savored occasionally and in moderation, not consumed daily. By placing these foods at the top of the pyramid, the diet emphasizes their limited role in a balanced nutritional regime. Limiting red meat and sweets helps ensure a balanced diet. The Mediterranean diet is more than just a diet, it's a lifestyle. Let's dive into those two key elements that make the Mediterranean diet more than a mere set of food guidelines: physical activity and the joy of shared meals. Physical activity is a cornerstone of the Mediterranean lifestyle. It's not just about hitting the gym or running marathons, but about incorporating movement into your everyday life. Walking to the store instead of driving, taking the stairs instead of the elevator, gardening, or playing with your kids. These are all examples of how you can weave activity into your day. The benefits are twofold. Not only does this regular, gentle exercise contribute to maintaining a healthy weight, it also releases endorphins, those feel-good hormones that lift your mood and combat stress. Now let's talk about the social aspect, which is just as crucial. In Mediterranean cultures, meals are often a communal event. Families and friends come together to share food, conversation, and laughter. This isn't just about enjoying delicious dishes, it's also about strengthening social bonds, which are vital for mental well-being. There's something truly magical about sharing a meal. It brings people closer, fosters understanding, and creates a sense of belonging. And there's more. The act of preparing meals can also be a mindful, therapeutic process. The chopping of vegetables, the stirring of a simmering pot, the aroma wafting from the oven. These can all become moments of calm and reflection. So you see, the Mediterranean lifestyle is a comprehensive approach to health. It's not just about what you eat, but also how you live. It's about nourishing not just your body, but also your mind and soul. It's about balance, enjoyment, and making the most of life's simple pleasures. So, are you ready to begin your journey with the Mediterranean diet? Remember, it's not about perfection, but about making healthier choices every day.